When the sun set on Andronis, silence took over our stairways, our villas, our caves, our pools. A sad quietness reigned in Santorini. We missed your laughter, your joy, the precious memories we carved together, with our eyes on the wonders of the Aegean Sea and our souls connected with the magical volcanic caldera. We kept on hold, but we never really stopped thinking about the day we would be together again. Even better, even happier. We knew the sun would soon rise, brighter than ever. The new dawn has arrived. It's time to open the door to the new era that is about to begin, to make you feel safe and warm in our Greece. It is time to taste and toast to the Mediterranean again, to let your laughter and your joy be at the heart of the most precious memories of the future. Welcome back to Andronis. Welcome back to Santorini.